Hey, I must ask you a question. What day is it?
Snap on Wednesday, bitches.
I can't believe I go out into public with this thing on my face.
I can't believe you do it either.
Oh, it's cold out.
Oh, man. Oh, it's a full house in here again. You guys camera shy?
Very shy.
Tyler, I
Very
must
shy.
ask you a question.
November, bitch.
What day is it?
Snap on Wednesday.
Mustache, you a question?
Oh, everyone in their gay mustaches.
Shave yours into one.
Oh my God, what is going on with this?
Dude,
With this box right here?
yourself one.
You can get yourself a Snap-on hair dryer.
Yes, my wife already owns one.
Already got one.
You're asking me?
What's going on with the box?
No, I'm just like, holy crap! It's like
Well, I know.
full as hell right now.
New,
Oh, what do you got? Oh, what's this?
Ratchets.
What is this?
multiple different colors. Comes with the battery pack.
I got stuck
Socket
with a
chip.
black one.
Is it? Is that the? That's a long head, long flex head that I have, right?
This one.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well, that one had. All right, gotcha.
So you can get it with a red handle, green handle,
Yeah.
orange handle, no handle.
Yeah, it comes with this.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Matching color and
Charge
everything.
your phone with it?
That's pretty cool.
Screwdriver sets. Buy the 6-piece screwdriver set. You get the 4-piece pack for free.
It's a big set, eh? The high vis color.
Well, that's high vis, but
Oh,
Now we're talking.
you should buy that.
I would buy that.
You should buy two of them.
You can't beat a snap-on screwdriver. I'm telling you that right now.
I already have this set.
You don't have that
That's
set.
it. Well, my picks,
Yeah.
my picks are longer.
You don't have that set. We're all salesmen today now.
thanks for helping out.
Yeah.
Where are those little pocket screwdrivers? Oh, there you
I keep boiling this.
What did I borrow of yours a couple times already, Richard? Robert.
Red shirt.
Yeah, that's my middle name.
Dick.
That's my middle name. Now everyone knows my middle name. What did I borrow from you a couple days ago?
14 mil 12 point.
That's what it was. 14 mil 12 point. That's what I need.
go. You know how it works? Like the dry.
You guys know the rule.
Yeah, the
Borrow it twice, you buy it. So
Yeah, you want a jug of it? You want a feeler gauge too? Or spark plug
Not at the moment, but I will.
Do you want some works?
Yeah, that soap is awesome.
Yes, it is.
My favorite.
which one?
The green stuff.
The green stuff.
The good stuff. It's legal now.
Oh, we looked at that one day.
Oh yes. That stuff.
Works.
It works.
Does it? Does
Yes,
it works?
very well. You gotta try it.
Oh well. What else we got going on in here today?
I just
So in case everyone's wondering, this is Noah. He is our new apprentice. And that guy back there that I called Richard.
He's not a dick. His name's Rob.
His name's Robert. And he's our new tech, so we have a fully staffed shop now.
No. No. Alright. You receipt for that too?
Sure.
So what did I say? 12.14. Oh, the 14's missing. Look at that. The one that I need. Tyler, you got a 12.14 on the truck? 3/8. Actually,
You pick. Oh, that's good. I'm trying not to hit you. Did I give you one of those? So yeah. Email, phone number, magnet. I have calendars, but no good.
15 impact, of course. Oh, man.
You have all my contact info.
This'll do.
One word, all lowercase. Same thing I did. Yeah. Some people put in there, what's the name of my dog? Or
What's my birthday?
what color is my car? Well, fuck.
What's my birthday?
Yeah. No, that one's too hard to get out.
Well, I'll show you the trick because the chocolates will go away.
Take the,
This is the gate.
That's genius. There you go.
Now you're interested.
Oh, I'll take these. Thank you, sir.
Too many times it's fallen on the floor. So I made it.
So do you like start a list for needs? Okay. So I got a big list.
That's up to you. I've already put that feeler gauge
Adjustable socket set. The heck?
It's like a soft.
Oh, tap sockets. I gotcha.
Yeah. There's lots of different.
Yeah. Just go at it with a screwdriver.
What you looking for? What you need?
I was just gonna tell you that if you actually want to look at that stuff,
Oh, I know.
There we go.
oh,
Yes, yes.
things falling.
That's probably me. That's because of me.
Yeah, there's
Yeah, there's tons.
small, medium, long.
Oh, you heard my knees crack?
Like this is the most common one that I sell.
Cool. Yeah, throw that on the list.
Stud removal and installation kit.
Any particular color.
All right.
Yeah. And there's normal plus extension for each stroke set.
Oh, I got a shopping list, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
And I bought one of these ratchets, this 3/8. And it's good for some things, but I think I'd prefer to have the same length 3/8, but like regular style flexing instead of the
Yep.
round shape.
With or without a soft grip handle.
I don't know. I like both. I like both. I don't know.
I like both too.
Yeah.
I use both.
Chrome is so easy to clean.
Yeah, that's
and,
true.
Like I've already kind of screwed up my soft grip handle.
You can
They
replace
are,
them.
yeah, I'm gonna say they are replaceable.
Oh, okay. It's not that bad.
But yeah, it's just a personal preference.
Yeah, I got like silicone on there. I can't get off. It's just annoying.
I mean, I like them from a comfort standpoint. But
Yeah,
my toolbox is all chrome.
yeah. I think I'd go with chrome.
But we didn't have that shit when I started buying tools.
Yeah.
What do you want? Chrome or chrome?
Yeah. And then went to the hard handles,
Yep.
the hard plastic,
Okay.
which people still love.
And then I think
question of the day. What are your guys' preference?
I don't wanna go with
Chrome,
pliers.
hard handle, soft grip.
I don't really
Leave
like
it in the
ratchet in the long run. I
comment
think
section.
Fuck yeah, you do.
Face drive.
The long one? Yeah. CTR 767.
Probably red as well, or black. Yeah. I don't know. That's everything for now.
Pliers. There's a deal on pliers.
All right, guys.
Plier set, get the beer mugs.
We're gonna head back out into the shop. One lonely socket. One lonely socket. 14 mil, 12 point. That's all I bought today. Keeping myself from buying so many tools. Anyway, dual mass flywheel on the Tucson's Velosters and anything with a dual clutch in the Hyundai world. So I needed that. So I boarded a few times. So you guys know the rule. So anyway, you guys saw the truck stuff today. Met a couple of new guys. We have a fully staffed shop now, so that's great. We are kind of getting caught up, but we have a lot of work still to do. We got like so many safety inspections to do, so that's a good thing. We have November's flyer, so that'll be up as soon as possible, probably within the next 2 days. I'll have that up. Looks like they're introducing the FDX sockets again, so whatever. We know how I feel about the FDX sockets. I own them. Sucker. Yeah, anyway. They work. They've been working for my everyday sockets actually quite well, so nothing bad to say about them. They're a good socket. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Yeah, nothing else going on. Super busy. Snap on Wednesday. So I hope you enjoyed your Snap on Wednesday. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.